Hello everyone, thank you for clicking this video, and today I will show you how to resize video on Capcut, new update November 2022. So the first, open the Capcut app, then click new project. After that, add image or video. I will choose this one, then click add. To resize video, you can pinch with two fingers, then do gesture like zoom in or zoom out like this. Or you can use format, then you can resize the video using format option that you want. Click back, then click format, then choose the format option. I will choose 101 size. So the video will automatically change or resize like this. Or you can change it to 9 or 16. Then the video will resize like this. So this is how to resize video on Capcut. If you think this content is helpful for you, please click thanks below. I will really appreciate that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.